Hey everyone, this is Mitch with SC Wake and SC Mudz. Today we have a 2025 Maverick R 4-seater in the shop. I'll be showing you guys how to do an install on it. We provide a layout so you guys get an idea of where all the parts go on the machine. These are the three things you'll need for installation of the SeaDek. Would be highest percentage of rubbing alcohol, nice clean microfiber, and we like to use the slice tool for cutting the paper backing on the material itself. On these cars, I like to start off on the roof. Obviously, you're gonna need to remove it, and it also makes the installation process a lot easier working on the ground versus trying to work upside down. Make sure you clean your surface thoroughly so you get good adhesion of the material. First, I'll start off by slicing the paper back on the material with my slice tool. Peel a couple inches back on each side. Then I can line it up with all the cutouts on the edges. Then if you do need to reposition it, there's only a little bit stuck down, so you can peel it up and reposition it if needed. This piece is a little trickier with all the different angles. I like to start with the back edge, and then as it radiuses towards the back of the machine, just keep following the contour. Now that we got all our doors finished up, we'll move on to our snap-in floor mats. They come with the snaps pre-installed, and then we provide these snap studs in our kits. And the tools you'll need to install these would be a pick to mark your hole location, and then a Phillips head screwdriver to screw your snap stud in. So for these mats that have the kicker for your foot, I like to start on the rear edge, just line that up, mark those holes. Once you get those rear snap studs installed, snap your mat in place. Then for your kicker, hold it down right here where it's bending up. Then we'll just mark our top hole. Now it's gonna stay in place. Feet won't slide around. Then after use, once you are out in the desert playing all day, easily, you don't want to tear on these too hard pulling them out, but unsnap it real nicely. Pull it out, rinse it off, pressure wash it. You just then place it back in, and you're ready to go for the next run. Now that we got all our mats installed and our roof back on, we're ready to hit the trail. If you'd like to order yours, you can visit our website or give us a call.